Tech in a Box, or TIB, is a required technology package that consists of hardware and software components for you to use in your store. The TIB technology package is comprised of a switch, an access point, firewall/Meraki, an Apple iPad, and an iPad kiosk. Also included in the package is a SpinGo keypad. It will arrive in a separate box. Think of TIB as integrated operation solutions. Here are just some of the capabilities its software can do for you. Complete inventory and place product orders with Cisco. Attend meetings and video conferences using Skype for Business. Complete BUO training and courses. Confirm holiday commitments, reply to and submit tickets using Boss. Watch SMTV in the Drive. Access and review Smokestack reports. Shop Dickies Marketplace, threads.dickies.com, and other frequently used sites with ease. Complete core forms.
Let's go a little bit more in depth and talk about data and security, Wi-Fi, the Cisco apps that are installed on the iPad by our IT team, and the hot links. A firewall is a shield that is intended to protect your PC, tablet, or phone from the database malware dangers that exist on the internet. Data is exchanged between your computer and servers and routers on the internet. Then firewalls monitor that data, and it's sent in packets to determine whether it's safe or not. According to the experts at makeuseof.com, a technology website, the experts there say that firewalls are useful for a few reasons. 1, it can prevent unauthorized remote access. 2, it can block unwanted content. And 3, firewalls can be hardware or software. Some of you may have heard in news stories recently about companies whose customers' data was compromised due to a security breach. Chipotle Mexican Grill back in April reported just such an incident where their customers' data was stolen from the POS. This incident affected multiple Chipotle locations. A completed investigation identified the operation of malware, which was designed to access payment card data from cards used on the POS at multiple Chipotle locations. The malware searched for customer info like cardholder name, card number, expiration date, and verification codes. We want to do our best to avoid security breaches and keep our information and our guests' information safe.
To use Dickies Wi-Fi, it's simple. Go to the search bar, type in my.dickies.com. Then they'll have to put in their email address and check boxes agreeing to terms. If they do that, they get to use our Wi-Fi for free. And guess what we get to do? We get to gain valuable information to put with things like Spark OLO, SpinGo, and Fishbowl. That way we can get more robust information to track the guest activity.
The Apple iPad that's included as part of your TIB technology package has many different uses. Here's a few of the different functions it performs. It can house Spark OLO orders. The Spark OLO dashboard is a go-to place for all things related to Spark online ordering. Go to orders-admin.dickies.com. Here on the OLO dashboard, you can navigate orders placed online from orders.dickies.com. To view these orders, click on the Orders tab on the left-hand side of the menu bar. When you select an order, it'll take you to the order information and order tracker. You can see the order status, which is automatically set to order in the queue. This step lets the guest know that the order has been received. When that step is complete, select the yellow Next button, and it will prompt the next step, Smoking to Perfection. This step lets the guest know that preparation of their order is underway. Once that step is completed, hit Next. After the order has been checked for quality by the Pitmaster, select Certified by the Pitmaster step on the order tracker. Next, the order is ready to be packaged. Once this step is complete, hit Next, and it will show that the order is ready for pickup. This is a great tool that updates in real time to show the guests the progress of their order being made, so they know they're getting hot, fresh barbecue each and every time. Scroll down to the bottom of the tracker screen and select Print. This will send the receipt to the Spark printer. If you click the Locations tab on the menu bar, it will show you a list of available stores. Click on the desired store. Here in the Location Info tab, you can edit the store's info such as contact information, operating hours, and the store's address. Next, under the Menu Setting tab, you can see the Items section where you can see a list of all the items entered into the system. You can search for a specific item in the search field or use the filter icon. Under Local Favorites is a list of approved menu options. If you want to start offering a local favorite to your online guests, just click the Active slider next to the item. If the slider is marked yellow in color, it means the item is active. This will reflect on the guest-facing orders site to indicate a guest can now purchase that specific item. The list of all item ingredients can be found under the Ingredients section. You can search for a specific ingredient in the search field to view its quantity and unit type. If you want to update an ingredient's stock availability, just click on the In Stock slider next to the ingredient. If the slider is marked in the yellow coloring, that means the item is in stock. If the item is marked out of stock, this will make all menu items that require that specific ingredient unavailable for online order. Once your stock is replenished, ensure that the slider is returned to the active position.
Another cool thing about the tablet, check it out. Just unplug, slides right off. It's portable. You can walk around and fill out your forms or sit down and do your Cisco order. As a matter of fact, I think I'll just do that. To download the Cisco Mobile Inventory app to your TIB iPad, tap Meraki Systems Manager app. Find the Cisco Mobile Inventory and click Download. Type in the password field. Go to your iPad home screen and you should see your downloaded Cisco Mobile Inventory app.
Log into your Cisco Mobile Inventory app. Ensure the health score is 100%. Select Track Inventory to enter inventory counts. Select a location in the store such as freezer, beverage bar, or walk-in to begin counting. Enter the quantity and tap the drop-down menu to change the count size if needed, and you'll see you can change by case, pack, pound, or ounce. Back on the home screen, click Purchases. This will show you past Cisco orders. You can also click on Food Cost from the home screen. Enter net sales in the revenue box and your calculated food cost will appear. When all counts are entered, return to the home page and select Close Inventory. A pop-up box will appear and ask you to confirm. Select Yes, Close. You could gain access to Smokestack via the hot link on the TIB iPad. Our main source of data compiled here is POS payment and sales data that we receive the next day after payments have been processed. Also, specific sales data for the intraday sales report in Smokestack is accessible using the iPad. Then we use other data sources as well, such as Meraki/TIB data, Talk to Dickies data, Boss data, .com data, Spengo, Spark Olo data, Fishbowl data. Then we combine all the data from those sources to show each store their operations dashboard, marketing dashboards, and TIB/Chatter dashboard. To view the TIB Chatter dashboard, type in TIB into the search bar and select the TIB Chatter report. From here, select the drop-down menu on the right-hand side to select a store you wish to review the chat meter information on. Here you can view charts and graphs depicting the nature of your reviews and whether they are positive, negative, or neutral. As you scroll down, you'll see a breakdown of the total number of reviews and your overall rating. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see actual reviewer feedback and comments with a link to the webpage where the review was submitted. This is a great tool that compiles all the reviews of your store in one easy-to-navigate location, allowing you to identify opportunities and to improve customer service and increase sales while also celebrating wins with your crew to boost morale when you get positive reviews.
All your core ops forms have been digitized and are conveniently located at forms.dickies.com. Sign in using your boss credentials and select your store. Choose the form to fill out or make edits to. Open a tab and complete each field. When you're finished, hit the red Submit button. Log into Boss to view previously submitted Core Ops forms. First, go to the Operation tab at the top of the toolbar. Then select the specific Core Ops form library that you'd like to review. Here you will see all previously filled out forms and you can select accordingly. You can also use the TIB tablet to submit Boss tickets for support from departments such as IT, marketing, and training. We have added a documents library that is accessible upon signing into Boss. You can find training materials along with other valuable information to further your development as an owner-operator. To add frequently used links or hot links to the home screen, tap the Safari icon to launch the internet. In the search bar, type the website you want to add. In this case, we'll add barbecue boots and badges, so type bbabfoundation.org. Tap on the airdrop option at the top right of the screen. It's the symbol that looks like a square with an arrow pointing up. In the next window, tap the Add to Home Screen option. Tap the Add option in the top right corner of the window. The icon will appear on the custom Dickies wallpaper. We have some new and exciting things coming. Pretty soon our guests will be able to download our Spark Olo app straight from the Apple Store. And we're also working on a catering CRM integration on the Spark Olo dashboard, which will help us with catering orders that the guests have already placed. We're also working on integrating Amazon's personal assistant, Alexa, into our system. So when there's a problem or a command that you need to dictate, you dictate it to the assistant. You want to learn how to make a big barbecue sandwich or make green beans? Hey, Alexa, a scale that's directly connected to the POS point of sale system? What? That's right. As soon as your pit crew member puts meat on that scale to weigh, in real time, it sends it directly to your point of sale system. That's something else cool that's coming your way. Okay. You really want to know what we're working on? Think about it. We've got the data, we've got the networking, we've got the hardware, we've got the reports. If you ask me, kind of sounds like a POS system. That's right, check it out. In the near future, we're working to put together a POS system that's designed just for Dickies.